Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hey, welcome back to Creative at Home. My name is Leah, and today we're going to finally be doing some aerial hammock videos. I've been wanting to do an aerial video for a while, but I just haven't gotten to it. I've lately been doing crafts and drawing and stuff, but this week we're finally doing the first episode of my new series, Flying Not Falling Aerial Hammock Tutorials. So I'll mostly be doing advanced aerial hammock videos, but I'm also doing them on a low aerial hammock because my aerial hammock is like this high off the ground, and it's super annoying because I can't do any of the drops that I can find on YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you guys advanced drops on a low aerial hammock. You can also do them on a regular aerial hammock, but they're also good for people that have low ones like mine. Because it's really hard to find advanced drops and also drops on low aerial hammocks. And I also want to let you guys know before we get further into the video that I will not be posting from, I believe, the 25th of March to the 8th of April. I'm going to be on a vacation, but will be posting on April 9 though, a Friday, the second Friday of April, and it's going to be a premiere. So enough about all that. Let's get to the aerial hammock drops. Okay, so the first drop we're going to do is a crossback drop. Starting in straddle hang, we're going to crochet both of our legs to get into standard straddle position. Now from here, we're going to pull up to go into standing straddle. Now, taking both of our arms, we're going to cross them to the fabric and make an X in front of us. For this step, you're going to flip your legs back through the cross to get into a cross back position. It takes a little bit of strength, so you might want to practice it. And you're going to want to make sure you flip your legs straightly, not bent. So, crossing the fabric in front of you, flip your legs back through so you're in this position. You can kind of hang here, but to get to the drop, you're going to hold on to one side and turn yourself the opposite way. You're going to have to hold yourself because the fabric isn't really strong enough to hold you in this position. Now to get into the last position, you're going to flip your legs up to the top and put one on the top of the silk and one off to the side. To drop, you're going to want to lean back, and that is crossback drop. To get out, just get out of the way that you get out of straddle position. The next drop is hip key drop. So we're going to start in straddle hang and then S-wrap with our left leg. Now that we're here, we're going to S-wrap again, but this time with our right leg. So this is the position for double dive drop, but this time we're going to go into hip key. So basically flip yourself to the side where the fabric is. Now from here, basically just roll over and switch your arms to drop. And to get out, just undo from S-wrap position. The last drop we're going to do is the triple cloud drop. So we're going to start by crocheting our leg on only one leg, so we're in one leg straddle. Now from one leg straddle, we're going to go into straddle hang and do an S-wrap with the same leg that we did one leg straddle with. Pulling up from here, we're going to separate the fabric and do one leg straddle again. This position can be a little uncomfortable at first, and you need to make sure you hold on at all times so you don't fall. Now you're kind of in this angel position, and to drop, twist and turn your leg through. You can drop faster at the end, but since I'm on a low aerial hammock, I just like to drop slowly. Okay guys, so that's all I had for this week, and if you have any suggestions for my video after the premiere that's happening on April 8th, let me know down in the comments, and if they're off, just know that I'm trying my best to turn them on, or if they're not on, then just go to another video that has the comments on, and tell me what video you'd like to see next. So that's all I have for this week, and I'm not posting for the next 2 weeks, remember? So just stay tuned, and I will see you at the premiere. Bye!
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be